Hey y'all, it's Jared from Wilson's Refrigeration Air with another great video about how you can help your household be protected. You never know when you might experience a power outage. Whether the outage is brief or lasts a few days, losing power can impact your comfort in your home. Wilson's Refrigeration Air is a proud distributor of Generac home generators, the #1 selling brand of home backup generators. Within seconds of an outage, the Generac home generator will automatically supply power to your home's electrical circuit breaker box. After power returns, the generator will shut off until the next outage. It runs on your home's existing liquid propane fuel or natural gas supply and sits outside just like a central air conditioning unit. Your installer will make the necessary electrical connections and run tests to make sure it is ready for the next power outage. With this whole home generator, you will have confidence in knowing that you have uninterrupted use of your heating and cooling systems, electronics, and appliances. It will ensure you are comfortable and safe during storms and protect against costly damages. Make sure your home is ready for the next power outage and invest in backup power today. At Wilson's Refrigeration Air, we take your comfort and safety seriously. Call us today to learn more about the Generac Generator, along with many other great products and services we provide.